So cake is already done. We will just wait until it is cooled before putting the icing. Our ingredients for our icing. We have here the confectioner sugar, 1 cup, 1 cup of whipped it, half cup of milk, cold milk or evaporated milk, or you can choose cold water if you like. We will now start making our cake icing. We will now start whisking our whipped it. So you can observe that the whipped it changed into white color. Now we can add the milk. Scrape first the whipped it to the center. Then we will add the confectioner sugar.
Nakikita yung BP.
So this is already done. We can now put icing on our cake. So this is the right consistency of our icing so that it is easy to spread on the cake. But if you wanted to decorate your cake using icing, you must add another or some of the confectioner sugar. We are now done with our icing, so we will prepare in putting icing on our cake. So first step is we have to put parchment paper or bond paper under the cake para po hindi madumihan mamaya yung cake board ninyo. So, we will now put the icing on our piping bag with the coupler and the nozzle tip. Coat this with our I am now done. I'm going to pipe the bottom of this cake. So we will remove this one. So we will pipe this one with the open star. Just pipe and up. So this is now my final output of my cake. Now I'm gonna show you how to decorate Petit Four. Since this is 2, I will put a chocolate filling on this first layer. Do not over fill the filling of your Petit Four. Then we will put icing. So this is now my final output of my Petit Four. This is my presentation and my plating.